Are you suffering from sleep challenges or side effects from medication and you'd really like to get off of them? Maybe you have digestive upset that seems to plague you, or maybe you suffer with depression or anxiety. All of these and so much more can be helped, healed, or repaired. I'm Denise Kennedy, a nutritionist and wellness educator. I went through a program recently and I really felt I heard God clarifying my mission. My deepest heart cry is to help people who are suffering and want real change in their life and health. My goal is to broaden my reach and offer healing solutions to those who really want help. Now, you'll have to do the wanting help part, and I mean that sincerely. You have to really want to be well. Remember in the Bible where there was a sick man lying by the pool of Bethesda? He's been suffering for 38 years, it says. When Jesus saw him lying there and he learned that he had been in this condition for such a long time, he asked the man, "Do you want to get well?" So that's why the wanting part of getting well is in your hands. If you truly want something health-wise changed in your life, pop a yes into the comments below. As I was studying and contemplating the direction of my wellness practice and how to be more effective, I was looking at all the clients I see, past and present, and suddenly it dawned on me, there is one common denominator in every one of their health challenges. And therein lies my new focus of healing and restoration. This common denominator is what makes us tick. There's science behind it, there's an emotional connection, nutrients are involved, and even your purpose in life is involved. Do you want to know what it is? Take a guess and put it in the comments. And don't you dare peek at the answer coming up. The secret common denominator is needed for weight loss, for a good night's sleep, to get out of pain, to reduce inflammation, to lower blood pressure, to get out from underneath anxiety and depression, to balance hormones, to be even a more effective decision maker. Have you put your guess in the comments yet? The secret common denominator controls the body's ability to regenerate and repair, no matter what the challenge is. It could be that you need a lymphatic system cleansing. It could be that you need to support your cardiovascular system. It could be you need a digestion overhaul. And all of these things can't be done without this secret common denominator. So back to what God really showed me about my path, my direction, and what my focus is to be. It's this secret common denominator. It's energy. You need great energy to sleep well, to lose weight, to reduce inflammation, to heal pain, and all the rest. My focus is on energy repair. So if you suffer from exhaustion, low energy, chronic fatigue, this needs to be fixed first before other healing can be experienced or sustainable. If you'd like to get into our 4-week energy repair rehab, contact me today. We're only taking a few people as this will be personalized. So if you've decided you really want to be well and you're willing to put forth the commitment, then I urge you to contact us today at info@totalwellnessacademy.com for more information about the program. Our 4-week energy repair rehab starts Wednesday, February 14th. Be your own Valentine. Give the gift of health to you.